students, welcome to Pravegaa Education. So this is a question from NET December 2024. So I is here identity matrix which is n cross n, and they have asked about adjoint of 2i is equal to 2 to the power ki, and what is the value of k. So suppose in general you don't know how to do it. So I have told you many times, and we have done many problems in class in which suppose something in general has been asked, so you can rule out the options by taking a particular case. So I can take this n cross n as 2 cross 2 identity matrix. So what is 2 cross 2 identity matrix? It is 1 0 0 1. This is a 2 cross 2 identity matrix. So what will become 2i? 2i will become 2 0 0 2. Correct? And if you take adjoint of this 2i, you will get a cofactor matrix transpose. So what is cofactor of this? It will become 2, 0, it will become 0, then 0, this will become 0, and for this it will become 2. So take the transpose, you will get adjoint of 2i will become 2 0 and 0 2, which is 2 times I, and I have to write it like this, 2 to the power k. So here it is power 1, so I can write 2 to the power 2 minus 1. And if you remember, this was my 2 cross 2 matrix, so I have taken n is equal to 2. Correct? So it has come 2 minus 1, so it will become, my k will become 2 minus 1 for 2 cross 2. So for n cross n, it will become n minus 1. Okay? Now you can rule out the options also, like for example, this 2 to the power 1 is for particular case. So 1 is ruled out, and I have taken this n is equal to 2, so that's why answer is 1, k is equal to 1. So this is k is equal to 1, so that's why second option is incorrect. And here again this cannot be 2, so this is also ruled out, so option 3 is correct. Okay, so these two are actually these two are wrong, and we have got k is equal to 1, but that is only for 2 cross 2 matrix. So if you take 3 cross 3 matrix, you can check, it will become 3, right? So that will become 3 minus 1, so we will get here for 3 cross 3, we will get 2 to the power 3 minus 1 I. Okay, here n is equal to 3. So that's why this option C is correct. So such questions can be very easily done using your little knowledge of just removing the options and taking some particular matrix and just trying to see which one of the option can be correct. Okay, thank you so much.